All right, I'm going to try something different here today. It's going to require some supplies. Like I got a piece of paper. I'm going to put everything on. I've got 4 different pieces of paper. Each one of them is a different color. And I'm going to cut shapes out of these pieces of paper. And to make shapes, you can make, I want squares and circles. So out of each one, I'm going to do a square. And out of each one, I'm going to do 3 different size circles. One large, one medium, and one small. So out of the blue, there'll be a square, a large circle, a medium circle, and a small circle. And then I'll do the same thing with each one of these colors. The orange one, I have a square, a large circle, a medium circle, and a small circle. And on the yellow one too. And it can be any kind of paper. It could be colored construction paper. It could be wrapping paper. It could be old pictures from an old magazine maybe, or just as long as they're all different colors. Colors that you like together. And then we're going to need some scissors. If you want to do the different shapes, you can either draw them by hand or you can trace them. See, like I can set that down and trace around that Kleenex, and I've got a square. And then I could put that down, and there's a pretty large circle. And then maybe this could be my medium circle, and I could trace around that for a little circle. So you can find something to trace with, or if you want to, you can do them by hand. But each piece, but I've got a trick here that I'm going to try out. And it's put all 4 pieces together, and I'm going to use a paper clip to hold them together. And you can use a paper clips, or I'm going to put one on the top ones. Or if you've got these, you can use these kind of clips too. So I'm just going to do it with those. And later on, you're going to need some glue. I'm going to use this. You can use a glue gun. You can use Elmer's glue. This is just a kid's school glue that you just open it up and just rub it on like, kind of like, what is that, like lipstick or something? But don't put it on your lips. Okay. So I need a square. I could put this down here and trace it. Yeah. But you know what? I think I'm just gonna yeah, we'll do that. You could just draw one. I'm gonna just draw this line. I know it's gonna be a square right around there. I'll use the bottom corner of these pages. All 4 of them at one time. I'm gonna cut out a square. Watch this. Yeah, you be careful with your scissors because you gotta cut through 4 pieces of paper at a time. You might want to just do one at a time, 1 piece of paper at a time, because it might not work good with your scissors. Depends on your scissors and if you're allowed to do 4 pieces at once. I'm doing the shortcut. So now I cut those out, and if you look, I've got 4 different squares now. So there's my squares. Now I need some big circles. I think I'll trace this. And it doesn't have to be exactly perfect. Okay, here I go. Got all 4 pieces of paper. I'm cutting around my circle. Nice and careful. Pretty close to where you drew that circle. Hold all 4 pieces of paper together. Oh, it's coming along good. I like these circles. Let's see what I got now. Whoa, look at that. 1. I got a blue one, a black one, an orange one, and my fancy yellow one. Pretty good. I'm going to go with that. Now I need a medium circle. Let's see, maybe right around. You could do it anywhere where there's enough room on your paper. I'm going to do it right there. Get ready for medium. Oh, you know what? This is going to be kind of tricky. Let's see what's the best way to do this. I think I'm going to start right over here. You might want to do these on 4 different pieces of paper and 4 different cuts. I'm just doing the shortcut version by doing them all at one time. But you might find it easier to do one at a time. Okay, there's my 4 mediums. Yep, they're all there. Now I need smalls. Look, there's a small right there. I'm going to do that. Small circle coming up. I'm having fun. I'm whistling while I work. Small circles. Boy, you got to be really careful with these small ones. Just little cuts. And you learn how to use scissors if you're allowed to. You might have to get some help. I'm all done with those pieces of paper. Now, I got my small circles, my medium circles, my large circles, and my squares. I will put them all over here. Now, I want to arrange my squares in a way I think looks good. I like that. I'm going to glue them down one at a time. Do the back. Boop, 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 boop. I'll put that square right there. You be careful where you put it down, because once it's got glue on it, that's where it's going to stay. It's going to get stuck right there. And that's what we want it to do. But you be careful when you put it down that you put it right exactly where you want it. I'm going to make them all touch or very close to each other. You don't have to, but you can. Give me some more glue on this one. Slow and easy. Glue, glue, glue. Looking good. Now, I'm going to look at where I want my big circles. I think I'll put that blue over here, because I don't want to put it on top of that one, because you won't see it. It would look pretty good there. Maybe up there. Let's see how we like that. Oh, look at that one. That's a good idea. Oh, I kind of like that design. I'm going to glue each one of these down on here. Right. Big circle. Big circle. And again, you got to be careful where you put it. You want to make sure it stays in the right place when you lay it down, because that's where it's going to go. Now I'm ready for medium circles. Let's see which one I like. Maybe, maybe not. I'm just experimenting. That's kind of cool. But you know what? Maybe I'll switch it around. Maybe. That's kind of cool. I think I'll go with that. I don't go study it too much. I just kind of guess which one. Let my instincts say which one is like. You know, whatever one makes you feel good. It's not that important. We're going to make them up however you want it to look. Now I'm going to glue those in there. Now I got 4 little ones. Let me see where I want my little ones to go. I got blue. I got black. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm going to put the black over here and the blue over here. Maybe that's good. Or maybe, you know what? I like what I did the first time. I'm not going to think about it too much. That's different. Am I thinking about it too much? Yep. Stop thinking. Just put it in there. And there it is. It's all done. That's called circles in a square. And if you want to look at somebody famous, there's an artist from Russia named Kandinsky, and he did circles all the time. Look, it's pretty good to me. I like it. I hope you like it. All right. See you later.